Hello students, I hope you have watched the video of 10th standard which has been uploaded on 18th April. In that video I have explained what is HTML. So I request you to watch that video first, then only you have to watch this video for 12th standard, because in that without basic knowledge of HTML you won't be able to do in your Composer. Now let's start the video how to make a web page in Composer. Double click on that particular software. Now this is your interface. Over here you have to insert a form. For defining a form, you can see over here either by clicking on there, or you can go and insert form and click on define form. Now this is your dialog box. Now in form name, write it as F1, and in action URL write it as f2.html. .html should be compulsory extension, and in method you have to click select on post. Then after click on OK button for 3 times. You can see the blue dotted area. Click over there for 4 to 5 enters. Now go to starting area, and write over there as heading as registration form. Now select is, I've changed the alignment to center. Now for increasing or for decreasing the font, we are going to use this A, but I want to increase it, so I'm clicking on capital A. Now you can see I have increased the font size. Now again click on over here. Now next thing is to insert a table. Click over here in the menu bar. After clicking on this table, you have to select 2 into 1. There is a 2 rows. Increase the size of the table. Write here as first name. Then click on tab button. It will be going to next column. Now next thing is we have to insert a text box. For inserting a text box, click on form field, and you can see the dialog box over here. And in field name, write it as F name, that means first name. Now the maximum size I'm going to give as 50, that means only 50 characters can be written in that particular text box. Then click on OK button. Now click on tab button again. You can see a new column rows has been increased. Now over here I'm going to write middle name. Then again the same process, I'm going to insert text box by using form field, and over here I'm going to write M name. Click on OK button. Again give a tab. Last name I'm going to write. Again the same process, I have to insert text box, form field, and over here in form field name we are going to write L name and click on OK button. Now I'm going to enter gender and click on tab. For inserting radio button, for gender we are going to use radio button. Again same process, form field, and instead of text we are going to select as radio button. After selecting the radio button, in group name I have to write gender, and in field name value, that is your male. Now if you want to select as initially selected, click on it, OK. Now over here write it as male. Now you can see the button has been initially selected over there. Again go to form field. Instead of text we will be selecting radio button. In group name gender, in field name female. Then click on OK button, and on right side you have to write female. Now you can see I have not selected initial selector. This, now the third one is here. Next is your hobby, and for hobby we are going to select form field. Now instead of radio button we are going to select as checkbox. In field name hobby, and in field value what all hobbies we are going to write. Over here I've written reading, then okay, reading. Again insert another hobby, click on form field, same process. Instead of text box I'm going to select as checkbox. In field name hobby, field value, playing, okay. Here also same process, I'm going to write playing cricket. Now again click on tab. Now we have to write a address. For address click on form text area. For address we are going to select a text area, and in text area we are going to write field name as add, and how many rows and columns we have to insert, write it there over there, 7 rows and 70 columns. Initial text means we have to write as initial address. That means over here if you're writing insert address, here you can see already automatically the insert address here is been written. Now again click on tab button. Now insert city, click on tab, form selection list. For city we are going to add a selection list, and in list name we are going to write as city, add option, and in text we are going to write cities names, Surat, add option, Baroda, add option. That means whatever cities you want to write insert, we can insert over here by clicking on add option. And at last click on OK button. Now again give a tab. I've selected these two rows and I'm going to merge it. Now I have selected as alignment as center. Now in form field I'm going to select as submit button, because as you know that after each form we have to submit it. Now in field name we are going to write as submit, and in field value also we are going to write as submit. Now click on OK button. Now again we are going to insert a reset button. Reset button, field name reset, and field value reset, and click on OK button. I've selected this heading, click on format, text color. If you want to change the color you can select change the font color over here. Now if you want to change your page background colors, click on format and click on page colors and background, and over here you can see background. Instead of in background you can see white color. Instead of white color we can select any of your color. OK button. Now again click on OK button. You can see the whole background has been color changed to blue color. Now double click on this form table properties, and you can see this is the table properties. Now over here I'm going to change the border, zero border, table alignment as center, so that the whole table will be in center. Then click on OK button. Now you can see the whole table is in a center because I've took as alignment as center. Now save your file by write the page title as registration form. Now click on OK button. Now over here you have to select the particular path where you have to select it. Right now I'm going to save in E drive. Now I'm going to write my new file, that is your file name as F1, and select on save button. Now click on browse for your final output, how your web page is going to see. It will be taking a time, wait for a minute. Now this is my final output, whatever I have written over here. Now over here, if I'm going to click on submit button, the page should be submitted. Okay, see, after clicking on submit button, nothing has happened. For changing, that means for giving the, for displaying the message, we are going to write as new file. Click over there, I've written as welcome, and new file, that is F2. OK, and click on save button. That means I've again created a new file, F2 name, and over there I've written as welcome. Now again I'm going to click on browse button. Now you can see after clicking on submit button, now I'm getting the message as welcome. That means now form has been submitted.